Here's a brief rundown of the top 5 aftermarket motorcycle mufflers, including their prices in PHP and their country of origin. 1. Akrapović Slip-On Line. Price: approximately PHP 35,000 to PHP 50,000. Country made: Slovenia. History: known for premium quality and performance, Akrapović Slip-On Line is a top choice for those seeking a durable, high-end upgrade with a powerful, throaty sound. 2. Yoshimura R-77. Price: approximately PHP 30,000 to PHP 45,000. Country made: Japan. History: the Yoshimura R-77 is renowned for its aggressive styling and significant performance gains, delivering a rich exhaust note and enhanced bike performance. 3. Brothers Racing S1R. Price: approximately PHP 28,000, PHP 40,000. Country made: USA. History: the S1R is praised for its high-performance enhancements and customizable design, making it a popular choice for those seeking both style and performance. 4. For Exhaust Systems GP Series. Price: approximately PHP 25,000, PHP 38,000. Country made: USA. History: the GP series offers a lightweight construction and aggressive sound, favored by both track and street riders for its performance boost and eye-catching design. 5. Brock's Performance Alien Head. Price: approximately PHP 32,000 to PHP 48,000. Country made: USA. History: known for its high performance and distinctive sound, the Alien Head muffler provides impressive power gains and effective sound control, appealing to serious riders. These prices are estimates and can vary depending on the retailer and specific bike model compatibility.